National University or NU Manila's core values, which include integrity, compassion, innovation, resilience, and patriotism, are reflected in its students and athletes through their behavior and actions. Students and athletes are expected to uphold the value of integrity, demonstrating honesty, ethical conduct, and fair competition on both academically and athletically. Compassion can be demonstrated through acts of empathy and support for fellow students or teammates, including in engaging in community service. Innovation is showcased through creative problem solving and the pursuit of novel strategies, contributing to research and development in their respective fields. Resilience is vital, especially for athletes who face physical and mental challenges, demonstrating perseverance and determination in the face of adversity. Lastly, patriotism is expressed through love for their country and the pride they take in representing it on national and international stages, while also engaging in activities that promote the culture and values of their nation. These core values guide students and athletes in their personal development and contribution to the university community and society at large, fostering a positive and inclusive campus culture at NU Manila. As an aspiring National University Manila alumni, my goal is to be remembered for my commitment to academic excellence, upholding the highest standards of integrity, and demonstrating compassion and empathy towards others. I aspire to be known for my innovative mindset, resilience in the face of adversity, and a strong sense of patriotism. I aim to lead by example, inspiring and guiding others, and fostering positive change in my chosen field, community, and organization. Whether as a scholar, athlete, or a student of NU Manila, I want to leave a legacy of impact, contributing to the betterment of the society and maintaining a deep connection with my alma mater through ongoing alumni involvement. My ultimate aim is to be remembered as someone who made a meaningful and lasting difference, both within the university and the broader world.